My name is Kristen Carlson, and I am president of Peerless Precision Incorporated. A lot of the components that we manufacture end up going into fuel injection systems, engines, hydraulic systems, and landing gear. They are critical components as far as aerospace is considered, both on helicopters and airplanes. Additionally, we are one of 3 critical component suppliers in New England to the manufacturer of critical components for cryogenic submicro cooling systems for thermal imaging, night vision, and infrared cameras. One of those cameras was on the police helicopter that found the Boston Marathon bomber in 2013. And I did confirm with our client that parts that were made in our facility were in the camera that found the Boston Marathon bomber. We have a long history of providing the aerospace and defense industries with high quality, close tolerance, critical components. We are always seeking new ways to improve, innovate, and vertically integrate our operations and offer more solutions to our partners. Those are just a few reasons why Peerless Precision would make an excellent partner to Raytheon and General Dynamics. I really look forward to discussing that with you more.
My name is Susan Casa. I'm the president and CEO at Boulevard Machine and Gear. We're located here in Westfield, Massachusetts. Boulevard Machine and Gear manufactures aerospace and defense parts. The majority of our partners, customers are tier 1 companies such as Collins Aerospace, Boeing, Parker. General Dynamics is a new one to us. We're really proud to work with, but we're also doing quite a bit with SpaceX, Collins Space and Sea. So we're so excited to be making parts for the vehicles and the manned vehicles going right into space. In this building, we are completely water-based. The coolants are water-based, that there is the least amount of allergy for anyone in the building. Our machines all have mist collectors on them. We have at least 3 or 4 cooled areas that are monitored because of the type of work being done in this building. So the tier 1 companies come to Boulevard, although they may check the box because we're women-owned, we're AS9100, we're certified to ITAR. We feel they come to us because we give them what they're looking for. The quick response time, priding ourselves on customer service, getting things done on a date that we've given them without any fallback.
My name is Scott Decker. I'm president of Decker Machine Works in Greenfield, Massachusetts. Since 1982, we've been providing precision manufacturing components to our partners in research, communications, military, aerospace, and all sectors of private industry. We are passionate in our commitment to deliver unmatched quality, value, and communication. We specialize in manufacturing component parts for the critical vacuum and glass to metal and ceramic sealing industries. I mean, that's really where we got started. And that's kind of led to where we are today, but it's high precision parts out of super alloys and exotic materials. I think our greatest asset is our people. They are just fantastic people, very skilled, with a commitment to quality and excellence. Companies out there that have pain points in their supply chain, we can offer solutions and add value. New England, Massachusetts, you know, we are where it started, where manufacturing started. And there is a lot of talent here, and we have a lot to offer, and it'd be great to keep it in Massachusetts.
My name's Gary Seidlich. I'm the owner of Precise Turning and Manufacturing. We're in Agawam, Massachusetts. We do prototypes to production runs, onesies and twosies, all the way up to tens of thousands of pieces. We are an ISO AS9100 ITAR company, so we carry some of the certifications that our customers require. Our customer base expands anywhere from, we're customers in Southern California, Florida, again, Pittsfield, quite a few customers are down in the Connecticut area. So we're New England, but we're way beyond as well. We're a conscientious group. These guys that eat, live, and sleep this business. You know, they don't want to make mistakes. When they make mistakes, they beat themselves up. They don't let that happen. You know, they're constantly checking and, you know, making sure we're making good parts. We're here ready, willing, and able to take on some additional work. We look forward to potential partnerships with any of the suppliers that are interested at this point. Both expanding our current relationship we have with General Dynamics, as well as, you know, new partnerships maybe with Raytheon and any other companies that have been involved in this program. And we do appreciate you taking your time to listen to us.
I'm Rob Logan. I am president of Palmer Foundry.
Hi, Dennis Aiden, vice president of Palmer Foundry. Palmer Foundry's niche is vacuum-tight castings. a lot of our parts go into the capital equipment for semiconductor production. We have expanded into other markets, and we've taken that technology that we developed to produce metal that can hold a vacuum, and we've expanded it down through medical, instruments, industrial, and some defense work.
Palmer's very excited as we move into the next chapter here with our AS9100 Aerospace and Defense QMS that we've been working on installing collectively as a team, and also with outside sources, consultants, to really bring together the best ideas and the best concept to install a significant QMS that aerospace and defense requires. We're very excited to be able to provide to have the opportunity now to provide the aerospace and defense system with what we believe are the best metallurgical castings in the United States.
I'm Dave Follett. I work at UMass Amherst in what's called a core facility called the Advanced Digital Design and Fabrication Core Facility. So we shorten that to ADFAB. And what we do is a lot of 3D printing of all different kinds. And I would say our goal is to spread the knowledge of 3D printing, which we call additive manufacturing, to people at UMass and in the community both. The big advantage we can provide in working with large companies is that we're at the kind of cutting edge of additive manufacturing. And it takes kind of a big investment to jump into a new technology, and it not only takes the hardware, but it takes a person to operate it, a person to understand how it works, especially to really take advantage of what it can do. And I think what's great about our facility is that you can come in and sort of buy a fraction of it, right? So you can rent it, and you can have us consult, and you can kind of try it out. That instead of individual researchers buying their own equipment, using it a few times, locking at their labs, you put the equipment in a centralized facility and people can share it. So you try to get more utilization out of the same tool.